Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking for discount for Helium 10, you will get 25% off for 6 months with Helium 10. This is the first deal. We have two deals, but this is the best deal ever, and there is more than this. Is If you see here, you will get 20% off for 6 months. So the um back deal is better than this deal, so you can get the back deal for this. So this deal, I think, is the best deal ever. 10% of every month when you use this code. So when you use this code, you will get 10% off every month. So let's say this code, click on this code, so we will see. So we will return to pricing page. When we get to pricing page, we will find plans and pricing, and what is the best plan to start with in Helium 10. So this price is after discount and before discount. As you see, after discount is 90. In platinum we get $90 per month, so you will save $9 every month in whole plan. So it's a good deal. If you choose diamond, you will pay 252 per month, so it's good deal too. What is the best choice to start? Actually, my best choice to start is platinum, cause have everything you need. Product research is get what you want from your product to get the best product ever in Amazon. Keyword research to optimize your store for keyword to rank better. Enhance your keyword to rank better too. So let's get to inside dashboard. You will get inside dashboard, analytics, listing optimization, and more and more and more. So you will get a lot of feature with platinum in $90 every month. So you can see annual price will save 25% when you get annual price. So platinum will be $72 per month, so it is the best deal ever for this plan. If you choose diamond, and this is the highest plan ever for everything you can imagine, it will help you rank number one on Amazon store. So you will pay $200 and 7 per month. So it's a good deal too to uh, take with. So what is Pro to have to say? All in one tool with extra essential tools for any Amazon seller. Get to Helium 10 and you will never go back. Actually, this is a review of Helium 10 in I think in Trustpilot. So it's a very good website when you review any tool. So if you change this video and go to Trustpilot after, you will see all reviews of Helium 10, bad and good reviews. And you can see that Helium 10 have a features not exist at any tool, so this is a good deal to take. In the description, I will let you Helium 10 free trial and Chrome extension, and this channel that give you a tutorial for Helium 10 whole program. If you are in USA, in UK, in Australia, in any place, I think this channel is really worthy to see. Is Vova channel is give you a whole idea about how to get Helium 10 um, and rank well in your store. Thank you for watching. I really hope that I really think I really wish that help you. I will let the coupon code and the discount in the link in the description. Thank you for watching. I really hope that help you in your journey. If you have any question, you can see other video of my channel about Amazon FBA. Thank you for watching and take care.